new jobs will be created, some jobs will be lost, every job will be changed. Okay, so let's just break it down. It's not AI that's going to take your job. It's not AI that's going to, destroy your company. It's the company and the person who uses AI that's going to take your job. And so that's, something to internalize. First, of course, AI is a new technology. It's a new technology in the sense that it's built differently than software of the past, and this new software can do things that software of the past could not do.
What is an AI factory? And
we've changed every layer of the technology as a result of AI. What used to be human-coded software running on CPUs are now machine learning generated software running on GPUs. And so every single layer, the tooling of it, the compilers of it, the methodology of it, the way you collect data, curate data, use AI to guardrails, use AI to teach, use AI to keep the AI safe. All of that technology is being invented right now, and it creates tons of jobs. At the next layer, this is where the giant opportunity is. Remember, I just said that we're going to create a new type of factory, and this factory has electricity come in, and it generates tokens out. A 1 gigawatt factory, let me just put it, 1 gigawatt factory, and we're in the horizon building something like 7, 8, 10 gigawatts of AI factories. 1 gigawatt factory is $60 billion. $60 billion for 1 gigawatt. 100 megawatt factories is pretty commodity now, it's pretty commonplace, and so you just divide that by 10. But $60 billion is the annual, one factory is the annual revenues of Boeing. And to build it, you have to finance it, creates a lot of jobs. You have to build out the site, the shell, creates a bunch of jobs, construction. You got carpenters, you got steel workers, you got masons. You got to build out that factory. $60 billion factory. This thing is gigantic. You have to have, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, plumbers, and then after that, all the low voltage stuff, all the IT and the networking. After that, operations. That entire cycle is about 3 years. A whole bunch of new trade jobs have to be created. This next layer, AI factories, the number one is going to be trades, the trade craft. And I think this is terrific. Our country needs to acknowledge that tradecraft is respectable work, and it's critical work, and it's necessary to build our country. And so we want to encourage tradecraft, electricians, plumbers, carpenters, steel workers, the whole span of it. And then now, above that is when we can start talking about how are these AI agents going to change the work of doctors or financial service professionals or customer care. Or in our company, just as a starting point, every single software engineer is now assisted by AI assistants. And the amount of code that we check into the company is incredible. As a result, our productivity has shot up through the roof, and we're hiring more people.